I thought we already had this conversation.
Well, the last time we had the conversation, it ended with you sitting over there.
Well, you misunderstood my act of kindness.
Why are you like this?
Why am I like what? It's not my fault that some people are socially more important than others. Plus, you wouldn't even understand it if I explained it to you. Anyway.
In what way?
In every way possible, my dear. What? You want some more punchlines?
You're very funny.
And you are insufferable.
You know what? I'll be kind enough to let you have the seat today.
Finally someone is showing some sense.
Must have been the muffins I had on Thursday. Thank you, by the way.
Muffins?
Don't look so surprised. There were only 2 candidates.
Well, I sent those muffins your way because you showed some sense of temerity, and I admire that.
Like I said, you're very funny. But I like to think there's more to you than you let on. I have your number.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Well, tell me about it, nameless writer.
I'd love to, but there's more work I have to take care of. Maybe another time.
Everybody one day will need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause I know be life. Sister, all the spink star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life.
What took you so long? Where is Sylvia?
He's not in today.
Is he sick?
No, he's off duty.
Oh.
Please enjoy your coffee.
Excuse me?
Yes, Ashorkor.
It's Ash.
Ash. Okay.
I haven't dismissed you.
I'm sorry.
Well, first of all, I have to taste the coffee and find out if it's satisfactory, and then inform you of your failure or success before I eventually dismiss you. Now give me a moment. I've had better.
I'm very sorry about that.
Well, maybe next time you should concentrate more on your coffee than other people. And then hopefully Sylvia won't be sick. Get off my sight. Well, someone has been staring suddenly, looking for something.
I don't know what I'm looking for, but I'm wondering, what do you get in treating people like this?
What do I get? Oh, but honey, wasn't it a few minutes ago you were telling me you know a lot more about me now? So why don't you tell me? Of all the days, of all the days.
Chibuzo! Chibuzo!
Yes, Ash.
Ma, I'm back. How bad was the news?
There was no bad news. They said she'll be able to work again soon.
So then what happened?
We'll have to go get a scan. And her spine needs to heal correctly. If not, she won't be able to get back to normal.
But we haven't seen the results of the scan. I'm sure everything will be fine. And even if it's not, I'm sure there is something else we can do.
Not if we have 50,000 Ghana cedis hiding somewhere. To think of it, that amount of money would not have been a problem some few years ago.
Everything will be fine. We'll be fine.
I hope that possibility wouldn't be needed. If not, we'd have to find the money from somewhere.
A man must be responsible for the things that matter to him.
Daddy is home. I missed this place, you know.
Oh, you're here.
Jane.
I even forgot about you.
Hey, would you chant through? Would chant through money yet? Hey, Jane.
Whilst you are busy serving important people, Sylvia thinks I'm just missing him for no reason.
You're true. You won't change. Just say, same Jane yesterday, today, and it.
Of course. Anyways, how was your days off?
Jane, my off day. You shouldn't ask this question. When you say you're
busy losing money.
Just that you don't wish anything good for me.
You know that Sylvia, then nothing good comes out from him.
Anyway, Jane, give me the filler. Filler. How was my shift?
Oh my God, your shift. It was good. You know, that nice man of yours came here.
Young lady, what's the meaning of this?
Excuse me?
This tastes nothing like the coffee I had the last time I was here.
And he likes our coffee.
Nice man, Ben.
Oh, The one who donated to the coffee shop. And he tips so nicely. The tips there, child.
He was here?
Monday and Tuesday. Very nice.
So Jane, is he coming back?
Oh, Debbie. And then they're back.
Oh.
I heard him talk on the phone yesterday. As I was saying, he's leaving town. And he will be gone for a week.
A week?
A week.
7 days.
In a week. But don't worry. I mean, and that starts. New customers too are coming. Today is gonna be a good day. Don't worry. I'll be happy.
Whatever.
So you know what? Now when. No, I'll start with the dishes. Don't worry.
I'm not.
Sylvia. Hi.
I don't know what you were thinking, but you've created a problem that is going to hurt us both. You and I have to meet in person to have a proper discussion because of what you've done. The usual drop-off location. Look.
Hey, this man. What's happening here? Hey.
And the woman he came with?
She's not married.
Hey. How do you know?
Show me her wedding ring.
And he's not wearing his either.
He is married. We know he has a wife, so he's cheating.
Jane, do you know what I think? The other lady he came here with knows he's not married and probably doesn't care. But what of this one, this lady?
It's not my business to know who is right. I'm not God.
But I thought it's your business to know everyone's business.
Of course. That's just being well informed. But Papa must also.
Papa. Last month we cocoa and now we so about.
Welcome, Ashorkor. Welcome back.
It's Ash. Ash.
Sorry, Ash. Sorry, Ash.
Don't welcome me with words. Welcome me with my coffee. Where's my coffee? Where's my coffee?
Oh. You're welcome back, madam. Just as you like it, with a little delay.
What's this?
Your coffee.
My coffee?
Yes.
I don't recall asking you for my coffee.
Excuse me?
Well, you've been absent since Monday, right?
Yes.
Yes. And Chibuzo here, she has been serving me, and I find her services quite entertaining. So I'd love Chibuzo to serve me my coffee.
Hey, madam. So you won't drink my coffee?
Hey, now catch me. Stand out here. Coffee no, men no. And I'll actually be kind enough to pay for it. So take that coffee back and allow Chibuzo here to serve me my coffee. Chibuzo. What are you saying that for? What?
Chibuzo. Best bedroom. Best bedroom.
I see the upgrade has really increased productivity.
It's been very helpful. I'm grateful.
Its effectiveness may earn you more bonus.
Actually, I'd like to discuss something with you.
Make it snappy. I have other matters to attend to.
I would like to take on more jobs.
In what way?
Programming, crypto trading. I could even help with the antivirus you're working on. I just need to take on more jobs.
I have a capable IT team.
But you said my computer skills were above them, which means I have something they don't.
Believe me, boy. You are quite an asset. But I see no reason to complicate our arrangement.
What if I came on as a former employee?
Take this from me, boy. Desperation and determination may differ. But they are quite noticeable. Okay? How much do you need?
Excuse me?
Wanting to do more jobs means wanting to get more money. Is that not it? I'll consider it and get back to you. Indeed. Hopefully, you have answers today.
Divine.
I'm glad you like it. Ash.
Well, just make sure that my coffee always tastes like this, and we won't have any problems.
Thank you, Ash. Is everything all right?
And just a few hitches on the road.
Sorry about that.
How about you?
I'm good. I mean, I've seen better days.
Well, since you haven't taken me up on my offer, I'm guessing the studying is going well?
Not entirely. I mean, I'm getting there, but maybe I could take you up on your offer.
You name the time and place and I'll be there.
The usual?
Not yet.
All right, then.
Bye.
Jane, you may be because I'm in tears here. What happened here?
What do you mean?
I mean, why is Ashorkor having Chibuzo serve instead of me? Huh? That was my most consistent source of tips.
Hey, you and I know that you are not only angry about the tips. I told us what she does. Customer stealer. Anyway, Ashorkor and your man, who do you think tips better?
Jane, many bra wahana make us and now who's now be something.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. But I think Ashorkor tips better. Anyway, man over Monday and Tuesday. I ain't no man.
Ask me again tomorrow, why?
I don't know where you're long, sir.
Coffee shop.
Sylvia. Get your laptop.
Okay.
Kindly have a seat. I can't find a database.
The database files. Mrs. Darcy, the database files are no longer here.
What?
Yes, it looks like they have been deleted.
How did that happen?
I don't know. Perhaps a file someone downloaded had a virus.
Sylvia, we need to get those files back now.
It could take some days, and even that, I'm not really sure. I mean, you have to get a team on that.
I see.
Madam, what are you doing?
I'm reporting this case. I cannot lose my job over this.
Wait. Wait. Just wait. Perhaps there's something that can be done.
Let's go. Everybody one day will need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, 'cause side no be life. Sister, all that's being star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life. You for smile as you go. Screw face, no go pay the bill you for no. This life, yeah. Happy connection at the coffee shop. One-to-one tensions at the coffee shop. Friendly connections at the coffee shop. You for know, you gonna know, you for know. Coffee shop, you for know, you gonna know.
Yo,
for know. Coffee shop.
It's time to step up now. Early morning like this when you wake up now. My brother, one thing you don't forget now. Enter the coffee shop and you connect now. Happily ever after. Now you see every man is a superstar. Wild dreams on your head and you the wonder. Find someone and together you run that.
Coffee shop.
Say bonjour, hello friend. We got what each other need, make we blend. Tu comprends? You understand? Merci, bring it on and we ascend.